Okay, hey guys, Chaps TV here from Excellency Uprising. I'm inviting you to play Ragnarok Land vs Genesis. This server offers guild level rush event, costume reward quest for everyone, character evolution guide, Genesis scroll like a gachapon with exclusive rewards for spender, and lastly the top up milestone. Come and join us to explore this great server offered to us by Gravity and Maction. Okay guys, what is new about this new game or new Ragnarok developed by Ragnarok Land vs Genesis? So isa-isahin natin mga bossing ko ano yung mga bago dito. So silipin natin yung website nila starting from their website. So again, this is a blockchain NFT game. So available siya in Windows. Most probably hoping ako na maging available siya through iOS and then through Android for more players to come, lalo na yung mga mobile lang yung ginagamit. So let's get started. Tingnan natin lalo na yung yung mga nabanggit ko sa intro ng ating video. Ito, isa dito is yung guild level rush event. So silipin natin ano meron dito mga bossing. So this particular event period is from March 29 to 15 of May. So ito yung yung mga hinahanap ng mga GL or guilds, makakapaghatak to ng mas maraming players, lalo na pag yung guild is active. So guild top level is different from rank 1 to 5, tapos iba rin yung sa 6 to 10. So magkatulad lang siya mga bossing. Yung sa GL yung makukuha niya, nagdi-different na lang siya into the Elite Siege Box and the Enrich Coridicon and Elunium, pati sa Adamantine Blessing. So ganun din at the same time dun sa ating mga guild members. So different quantities yung may bibigay. So paunahan ng pagpa-level ng guild. Ito yung event nila for the guilds. So for starters guys, you need to go to the training grounds. Kailangan natin pumunta doon sa training ground mga lodi. Kasi para magpa-level tayo. Dito nyo makikita yung diretso nyo lang. Pupunta doon sa may tulay. Tayo dito sa NPC. Para mapunta tayo doon sa training grounds. We will talk on the receptionist. Palagay nyo lang yung name nyo. And then it will go on. Apply for training. And then bibigyan kayo ng RO Burst Manual for the newbies. Then hanapin natin yung yung interfaces tutor. So magbe-base level 2 agad kayo. Pan-talking lang sa NPC. Enter nyo lang yan, magbibigay siya ng tattered ninja suit. Ito yung suotin yan. And punta tayo sa kabilang NPC for the training ground entry. Ito na. Tapon nyo lang yung guard. So ito yung helper pala. Yan. Talk on the helper. So another base level. So monster experience, quit na lang tayo. So pupunta tayo ng training grounds. Yan. Dito papalevel kayo mga so, kapag ready na kayo guys, you can change job here. Tawirin nyo lang yung tulay. Merong NPC dito sa dulo na hanapin ninyo. You just need to walk out. Titingnan natin kung anong character or anong job yung pipili natin. Yan. As examiner lang, click lang siya. Again, wag nyo kalimutang i-upgrade yung basic skill ninyo into 9 so that you can able to pick your class or job. Yan yung pinaka-importante sa lahat kasi hindi mo magpuproceed dyan kung hindi nyo pinindot. Hindi kayo naglagay ng skills. Okay. Back to the training ground. So Landburst beginner box for those who change job. Yan. Ibigay siyang novice potion and then double click it. Mamimili na kayo kung anong class ng item yung ibibigay nila. So ito yung pinaka basic na rewards na makukuha ninyo in game. So let's choose again the Falchion and the Novice Guard. And then by the next is So in regards guys, if may tatanungan kayo paano nyo bilhin yung pang-open ninyo nung ano, or pang-quest ninyo ng Malangdo costume. Kung saan nga ba nabibili yung bossing? Yun, mga usual na magiging katanungan yan dito in-game or sa mga streamer. So, click nyo lang yung cash app. Nandiyan na yung cash app natin. Dito, mabibili nyo siya. Sa... Saan nga ba yun? Tumubol ba? Eto, Silverin Fruit. So, ito yung para sa Malangdo costume. And then, again, for the Malangdo costume, ito yung isa sa nabanggit ko na isa sa magandang features ng server. So, it will cater free-to-play players. Pwede nyong i-quest. Questing lang to guys, so hindi siya kailangan gumastos or you're really not meant to spend para lang makuha tong mga SSR or SR and then other R costumes for the F2P. So, kailangan nyo lang siya i-quest sa Malangdo Island. So, mag-i-spend lang kayo ng 1k Zenny. Again, hindi na kayo hirap dito kasi may mailing system nila through Rodex na kahit naka-offline, pwede nyo nang sendan yung player na gusto nyong or much possible if gusto nyo mag-send ng items or through Zenny, pwede na siya through mail of Rodex. Yan yung naman bago system ng mga RO guys na available siya in the Ragnarok Clanverse Genesis. And then we have the Adventures Agency. Katulad ko nagpapa-level ngayon mga boss, pwede kayong maghanap dito pero may requirements sila. Level, yan. Tapos most possible may magtatanong din dyan about doon sa ating gachapon or yung tinatawag nilang Genesis Scroll. Kumbaga parang gacha to guys doon sa mga ibang Ragnarok. So dito siya mabibili sa cash app natin. So Genesis 120 yung price niya. So much more kailangan nyo mag-top up using the Ronin wallet. So papakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga possible na makuha ninyo dito sa pag-purchase ninyo. Dito ako excited, mas excited ako dito for the spenders kasi ito talaga yung magpapalakas doon. Duration niya is from March 29 to April 24. So much more magiging exclusive siya. Ang gagamitin nyo is 120 Moonstone. So you will buy it through the Ronin wallet. So papakita natin mamaya yon after neto. So ano ba yung laman neto nung Genesis Scroll? So eto yung mga laman niya. So much more possible na yung pinakamaganda makuha ninyo dito is yung costume, yung dalawa, yung Asgard and the Angel Spirit, and then the Demon and Mystic Demon Ring. So meron din set, the Dexterous Shadow Armor. So isang set yan. So let's talk about the airdrop or for the NFT or non-fungible token. Paano siya makaklaim mga bossing? Ito, yung airdrop nila ay started from March 28. So 7 days check-in. Meron siyang point system na ginagawa dito which has accumulated rewards. So every day ata ito 50 points. So what you gonna do? You need to connect through their X, Discord and Facebook to claim job battle manual rewards. So para sa point naman para sa NFT, you need to sign in for 7 days and then create a Ronin wallet. So team up mission battles, nandito yan. Minting of NFT. So currently minted natin is 1913. So tapos na yung ating close beta quest. So the grand launch quest is in 40 days. So global player quest reward nandito rin, ends at 28 days. So kaya na yung mga possible reward ninyo for creating a character, level up in training grounds for job level 10, and exit the training ground. Makakatanggap kayo ng 10 Capra ticket storage and transportation with 20 points for the airdrop. Combined with the NFT blockchain gaming. So thank you guys again. This is Jobs TV. Come enjoy us here in Ragnarok Clanverse. So kita-kits na lang tayo dito sa loob ng game.